your spine straight, palms one above the other, or you can form chin mudra as per your capacity. Close your eyes. We will be proceeding for first Omkar. Breathing in. Join your both the palms perfectly. Shri Karunanidhe Namaha. He Param Pita, E Vishwapita, E Rashtrapita, E Jag Adhara, E Karunamaya Deen Dayalu, Purna Guru He Aparampar, ए परेश अब शीघ्र कृपा कर हमें दीजिए शुद्ध विचार, जिससे जनता के सेवक बन नाथ करे सुखमय संसार। हे नाथ, आपकी कृपा से विश्व का कल्याण हो, सभी कर्तव्य परायण हो, परस्पर प्रेम हो। श्री करुणानिधे नमः। Massage your both the palms gently. Massage your both the eyelids. Massage your complete face. Now we will be proceeding for micro yoga Smokshvayam. Join your both the thumbs in the center. Inhale. Breathe out. Deep long breath in. Slowly breathe out. Once more. Inhale. Slowly breathe out. First we'll start our session with eye energizing kriyas. Keep your both the arms apart. Try to watch your both the thumbs alternatively, keeping your head in the center. Just turn your both the eyeballs and normalize your breath. Alternatively, we are watching our thumbs. Hold for a second at both the sides. Close your eyes. Relax for some time. Normalize your breath. Now, cross movement. Right up, left down. Head will remain in the center. Start cross movement of your both the eyeballs. Keep your both the thumbs at comfortable gap as per your capacity. Watch your thumbs alternatively by normalizing your breath. Close your eyes again. Relax for some time. Change your arms. We are performing same cross movement by changing our arms. Watch your thumb alternatively. Turn your both the eyeballs in both the direction. Maximum. Close your eyes again. Normalize your breath. After performing cross movement, we are doing up and down kriya. Arrange your both the thumbs in one straight line. Try to stretch your both the eyeballs in up and down direction. Try to stretch both the sides little more than how much you can able to do. After performing up and down also, again close your eyes, relax your both the eyes. After up and down, far and close movement. Try to keep your right thumb touching the tip of your nose with your thumb. The other thumb will remain in one straight line. Try to watch your both the thumbs alternatively again. normalizing your breath while performing eye energizing kriyas. Hold for 1 second at both the thumbs. Again, close your eyes. Relax for some time. Massage your both the palms. Create friction between your both the palms. Place your both the palms on your both the eyelids called eye palming kriyas. Slowly from inside to outside, massage your both the eyelids and again relax. Once we will be doing Shashankasana. Place your both the palms on the sides. Slowly go down. Shashankasana, rabbit pose. Slowly get up. Keep your spine straight. Now, after performing eye energizing kriya, we'll be performing movements for our neck. Right side, try to touch your chin with your right shoulder once, left shoulder one. Start from your right side. One, breathe out. Two, center. Three, other side, breathe out. Four, breathing in, smooth movement, maximum movement. Six, center, last time. Seven, breathe out. Eight, breathing in. After performing side movement, we will be going for up and down. Breathing in, down. Breathing out, maximum up. Inhale, try to touch your chin with your chest. Breathe out, try to watch maximum up. Inhale. Breathe out, last time. Inhale. Breathe out. Come to center. Third variation. Lift your right arm up. Try to touch your ear with your shoulder. First we'll start from right side. One, breathe out. Gently apply pressure. Two, center. We are repeating the same kriya. Three, other side. Four, center. Five, breathe out. Little more than last time. Six, center, last time. Seven, eight, center. After performing side movement, we'll be going for rotation. Those who are having severe neck ache, kindly relax. All others, first breathing in down. Slowly start your movement from your right. Go back. Left. Come to center. Again reverse, breathing in, start in reverse direction. Slow, smooth, perfect, big circular movement. Without any jerk, smooth movements. Always synchronize your breath with your kriya. While inhalation, take your head up. While breathing out, bring it down again. While breathing in, slowly take it up. Create big circular movement and come down. Once more, we are doing from both the sides. Don't stop in between. Try to complete your circle. After performing both the sides, come to center. Massage your palms again. Create friction between your both the palms. First, delicately massage your neck area. Then massage your back of your neck area with little force. After performing neck movements, we'll be going for shoulder movements. First, stretch your both the arms at your shoulder height. See to it that both the arms are at your shoulder height. Stretch your thumbs both the thumbs outer side, both the last finger from inner side, both the palms at flatten them. Now create big circular movement. 1 slow big circular movement. 2 face will remain normal. 3 4 5 reverse also same kriya. Create big circular movement. Flatten your both the palms as if you are creating big circular movement on the sides of your. Imagine that both the sides wall is there and we are creating big circular movement. Now raise your both the arms, interlock your fingers, stretch your both the arms. Check whether your neck is soft or not. If not, try to soften this area. Extend right side. 1 breathe out, watch up. Hold for 2 seconds. 2 breathing in. Again, upper arm, back of your ear. Try to place your elbow exactly in the middle. 4 center. Last time. 5. Now, try to adjust your elbow. Tap your upper back. Hold with your other arm called Gaumukhasana. Hold. Just normalize your breath. In Gaumukhasana, try to touch your elbow down towards the floor. Seniors, juniors, be there. 1 breathe out. Those who are having lower backache also kindly relax. 2 watch up. Last time. Breathe out. 3 4 change your arms. First arrange in Gaumukhasana, first variation. Try to hold your arm, upper arm with your lower arm. Try to keep your head in the center. Now pressurize your elbow, crown with your elbow. Right, go down. 1 breathe out. We are repeating. 2 center. Elbow has to come exactly in the middle. Last time. 3 breathe out. 4 come to center. First we will be relaxing our arms by giving slowly swing movement without any jerk. Then sit straight again. After performing kriyas for Gaumukhasana, then some more kriyas for shoulder. Fingertips on your shoulder. Deep long breath in. Slowly breathe out. Create big circular movement. While inhalation, take your arms up. While breathing out, slowly come down. Create big circular movement. Awareness on your breath and movement. 4. Last time. Slow, big circular movements. 5. Deep, long breath in. Reverse. Join your both the elbows while breathing out. Inhale maximum. Normalize. Slow movement, fast movements are easy. 3, 4, last time. 5. Again, front and back. Slow, without any jerk. Up and down. Again. Rhythmic movement, no jerking. Last time, interlock your arms. New members again relax. We'll be going for again Shashankasana, but this time both the arms interlock. 1, take it up, pull little more. 2, last time we are repeating. 3, 4. Try to remove your both the legs once. Join your both the heels and toes. Try to pull maximum back your both the legs and give slowly, keeping your spine in Straight, loosening your thigh area, slowly give up and down movement. After swinging in a rhythmic fashion, bring your both the legs close to your main body. First, this is called Pakshi Kriya or Titli Asana, what we are doing. Now we are proceeding for Bhadrasana. Slowly pressurize your both the middle of thigh. Allow them to go down and stay. New members, please place your palms. No jerking here. Seniors, if you can able to take it down, hold like this and wait. 5. Normalize your upper part. Lower part is completely active. 4. Hold in the posture. 3. Still down. 2. Still down. Last time. 1. New members, please hold like this. Seniors, hold like this. Super seniors, try to touch your forehead with the floor while breathing out. 1, 2, last time. 3, breathe out completely. 4, breathing in. Now pull your again legs close to your main body. Raise your left arm up. Right arm fingertips on the side. Straighten your spine, flatten your stomach, lift your spine and go back. 1, breathe out. Hold for a second. 2, center. Change your arms. Perform the same kriya. Don't allow your knee to get up. 3. Simultaneously in Bhadrasana we are doing twisting pose. 4. Already knees are coming up. So for that we have to repeat. See, knees are going down. We are twisting our body in Bhadrasana. 5, breathe out. Still back. 6, center. Raise your arm first. Extend maximum. Take the support of your fingertips. Pressurize your knee and go back. 7, 8. Only super seniors again. Juniors stay last time. 9, 10. Slowly relax your both the legs. Keep your both the palms on the sides. Elbows out, shoulders out. Slowly, gently give up and down movement. Palms in the front. Yes. Wantedly she is doing like this, whether I am checking or not. Slow rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Create comfortable gap between your both the legs. Give big circular movement. Try to touch your thumb in the center, last fingers at the corner. After doing clockwise, slowly perform anti-clockwise movement also. After doing anti-clockwise, slowly swing your both the legs on the sides. Then sit in Dandasana. Today is Friday, so we are doing sitting poses. So before that, to activate our body, first only we will complete Surya Namaskara. Before Surya Namaskara, we will be doing Shankha Pakshalana Kriya for warming up our body. Slowly lay down on your stomach. Lay down on your stomach. In Makarasana, relax. First relaxation in Makarasana. Normalize your breath. Shankha Pakshalana, set of 4 asanas we are doing. First we will be performing Shankha Pakshalana Kriyas 3 to 4, 2 times, so that our body will be warmed up. Then we will be proceeding for Sun Salute or Surya Namaskar. So, first we are relaxing. Keep your both the legs apart. Place one palm above the other. Normalize your breath. First, perfect relaxation before proceeding for Surya Namaskar. Both the legs apart. Try to place your both the legs on the sides. If you have any doubt, just watch. Otherwise, just relax. Join your both the legs. Place your both the palms at your floating ribs area. Chin on the floor. Breathing in and go to Sarpasana. Breathe in and get up. Elbows out. Shoulders out. Right side. One breathe out. Watch your heels. Two breathing in. Center. Three breathe out. Other side. Four center. Five breathe out. Six breathing in. Seven breathe out. 8 breathing in, 9 breathe out, 10 center breathing in, 11 breathe out, 12 breathing in. New members get up, seniors go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. 5, 4, lift your heels also. 2, 3, 1. Only seniors, those who are having lower backache, kindly get up. All others, stay in Uttanasana. New members, just follow me. Drag your body down. You can change your arm, but straighten your both the knee. Don't allow them to get up or bend. Again, stay for 2 to 3 seconds. Get up. Second asana, Urdhva Hastasana. Interlock your arms, extend maximum, upper arm, back of your ears, right side. 1, slowly go down, face normal. 2 center, 3 other side, 4 center, 5 breathe out here, 6 center breathing in, 7 breathe out, 8 breathing in, 9 breathe out again, 10 breathing in center, last time, elbow straight, 11, 12. Some people are folding like this. Straighten, one more time we will be repeating. Straighten your elbows, right side. 1, 2 center, last time. 3 other side, 4 center. Slowly, third variation called Kati Chakrasana. Shoulder height, your both the arms. Only upper part, right side. 1 breathe out, 2 breathing in center, 3 breathe out other side, 4 breathing in center, 5, 6 center, slow movement, 7, 8 center, 9 breathe out, 10 breathing in, 11 breathe out, 12 breathing in. Sit for Udara Akarshanasana. New members, please sit like this. Those who are having difficulty, if you are unable to sit, create gap of shoulder measurement between your both the knee. Those who are feeling comfortable, maintain this gap. Hold your both the knee like this. Spine will remain straight. Left knee will go down. Right knee inside your stomach and abdomen. Right side. 1 breathe out at the back. 2 breathing in center. Third, this knee has to pressurize. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in center. 5 breathe out. 6 breathing in. 7 breathe out. 8 breathing in. 9 breathe out again. 10 center. 11 breathe out. 12 center. Second round, Sarpasana. Again lay down on your stomach. This time, try to place your palms little down. Little down. Near your floating ribs. Now, chin on the floor. Breathing in and get up. Sarpasana. Both the arms in one straight line. Drag your body right side. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in, maximum up. 3 breathe out here. 4 breathing in center. 5 breathe out. 6 breathing in. 7, 8, 9, 10 breathing in. Last time. 11 breathe out. Elbow straight. 12 center. Spread your both the legs. Seniors go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Juniors just get up. Stay for 2 to 3 seconds. Try to touch your forehead down towards the floor and come to Uttanasana. Don't lift your palms. Now, lift your heels, correct your elbows and stay for 2 to 3 seconds. Those who are normal. Those who are having lower backache, kindly relax. Get up. Second asana called Urdhva Hastasana. See, many people are doing like this. Some people are like this. But straighten them, upper arm, back of your ear. Face normal, right side. 1, go down. 2, center stretch. 3 other side. Like Pashakonasana, you have to go down. 4, center. 5, right side. 6, center. 7, breathe out. 8, breathing in, center. 9, breathe out. 10, center. Last time. 11, breathe out. 12. Third variation called Kati Chakrasana. Right side. 1, only upper part has to move. 2, center. 3, breathe out here. 4, breathing in. 5, 6, center. 7, breathe out. 8, breathing in. 9, 10, center. 11, breathe out. 12, center. Sit again for Uddarakarsanasana. Again, all the conditions will remain same. Whatever I told you, new members may sit like this, seniors may sit like this. Right side. 1, breathe out. Pressurize your upper knee to stomach and abdomen. 2, center. 3, breathe out. 4, breathing in. 5, breathe out again. 6, breathing in, center. 7, 8, 9, breathe out. 10, last time. 11, breathe out. 12, center. Slowly spread your legs and sit in Nishpant Bhavasana. Legs apart. Palms resting at the back. Drop your head and continue deep, long breath in, breath out. 2 sets of Shankha Pakshalan Kriyas we did. Perfectly normalize your breath. Rest for some time. Then we'll be proceeding for Surya Namaskar or Sun Salute. Anybody new today? Those who joined today? Anybody new in the class? Today anybody joined? So all are seniors. Then we'll be doing full rounds. If anybody is new, we'll be doing, okay, we'll do step by step today because I know 2 people are new. So first step we'll be doing 2 times, second step like that 2 times. కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? Anybody new? That is what I want. So you do one thing, you have to do, but step by step we are doing. You come back. You వెనక వచ్చేయండి. Please come back. Seniors, please go in the front. Only for Surya Namaskar. It has to touch. Yeah. So Please follow your senior. Step by step we are doing. Very easy, simple kriyas. First mantra ucharana. Join your both the palms perfectly. Close your eyes. Concentrate on sun god. First step we are doing. Om Suryaya Namaha. One breathe out, stretch your arms. Two breathing in, extend your whole body up. This much is enough, seniors. Slowly go back. Three, forward bending, breathe out. Breathing in, both the arms up. Give rotation and form Namaskar. Once more, we are doing the same step. One breathe out, two breathing in, three breathe out, four both the arms up, breathing in, rotation and form Namaskar. Now second step, 6 counting. New members, please watch your seniors, or if you want, you can come here. Please there. You be there. You come. So first day, no, you come here. Second step we are doing. Yeah. You come here. Watch. Manoj, you please move forward so that he can come and follow you. Second step we are doing 6 counting. Again you can go back to your place after. So first round is clear. Now second round. Come to the middle of your carpet. Middle of your carpet. Move forward. Yes. Now. Yes. Second step we are doing. Om Dinakaraya Namaha. One breathe out. Just follow him. Join your both the legs. Two breathing in. Three breathe out. Four. Both the legs back. 5, both the legs front, both the arms up, rotation and form Namaskar. Now we are doing same step once more. One breathe out, Hastasana. Two breathing in, Ardha Chandrasana. Three breathe out, Pada Hastasana. 4, both the legs back, Parvatasana, mountain pose. 5, repeat Padahastasana. 6, breathing in, Vrikshasana, tree pose, Namaskarasana. Now we are doing third step, 8 counting. So please follow senior and perform. First mantra ucharana. Om Adityaya Namaha. One breathe out, Hastasana. Two breathing in, Ardha Chandrasana. 3 breathe out, Pada Hastasana. Left leg back, Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs back, Parvatasana. Left leg front, repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs front, repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up, tree pose, Vrikshasana. Rotation and form Namaskarasana. Same step we are repeating once more, but change your leg with right leg. 1 Hastasana, 2 breathing in, 3 breathe out, 4 right leg back, 5 both the legs back, 6 right leg front, 7 both the legs front, breathe out, 8 both the arms up, rotation and form Namaskar. Now we are doing full rounds. If you can able to do, otherwise you sit. New members, please take care of yourself. Very slowly we will be doing. First mantra ucharana. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Full round, 12 steps. 1 breathe out, 2 breathing in, 3 breathe out, left leg back, breathe in, 4, both the legs back, Parvatasana, normalize your breath. Slowly drop your both the knee down, go back. Try to touch your chin and chest with the floor in Sastanga Namaskara. Breathe out. 7. Get up. Sarpasana. 8. Bhukampasana. Walk 1 step in the front. Take your head down. Left leg front. Left leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana, both the arms up, Vrikshasana, Namaskarasana. Now change your leg. Very slowly we are doing. New members, don't bend back. Lost for you. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. 3, breathe out. Right leg back. 4, both the legs back. 5, Parvatasana. Now go down. First both the knee. Then try to touch your chin and chest. Get up. Sarpasana. 8, Bhukampasana. Right leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up. Vrikshasana. Namaskarasana. New members, please sit down. Please sit down. Turn your face here. Yes. 2 more rounds we are doing. You have to watch. 1. Full rounds. 2. This much is enough for new members. 3, left leg. 4, both the legs. 5, both the knee down. Slow breathe out. 6, breathe out. 7, get up. Sarpasana. 8, Bhukampasana. Normalize your breath. Left leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up. Vrikshasana. Namaskarasana. Last round we are doing by changing our leg. Watch perfectly. Sit and watch. 1, 2. This much is enough for new members. Seniors do like this. Up to 15 days you do this much only. 3, Padahastasana. Right leg straight back. Don't fold your knee. And juniors, this much is enough. Seniors may raise their arms as per their capacity. Now both the legs back. Parvatasana. Now slowly first both the knee. Go down. Try to touch your chin and chest in Sastanga Namaskara. Place your palms and get up. Chest has to come forward. Head has to go back. Lower your lower back and walk maximum back. Next, slowly lift your body. Walk 2 steps inside. Take your head down. Now, same leg has to come forward. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. This much is enough. Seniors may do this much. Repeat Padahastasana, Vrikshasana. Extend your both the arms up. rotation and form Namaskara-asana. Sit in your place or you can sit here as per your capacity. You can sit at your place. Now continue deep long breath in, breath out in Nishpant Bhavasana. Normalize your breath. శ్వాసగతి మామూలుగా చేసుకుంటాను ట్రై చేయండి. నార్మలైజ్ యువర్ బ్రెత్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఆసన? నిష్పంత్ భావాసన. డ్రాప్ యువర్ హెడ్ ఆన్ యువర్ షోల్డర్స్, క్రియేట్ కంఫర్టబుల్ గ్యాప్ బిట్వీన్ యువర్ both the legs and continue deep long breath in, breath out. For a minute we will be going into Shanti Asana, but before that normalize your breath and heart rate. Slowly take the support of your elbows and go to Shanti Asana. Normal breath in, breath out should continue in Shanti Asana. Join your both the legs, join your both the arms on the top. We will be performing third asana. One, stretch your both the arms on the top, stretch your both the legs at the bottom, hold for a second. Two, come back, relax. Second time, feet down towards the floor, palms maximum extended, flatten your stomach. Three, stretch little more. Four, last time. Five, stretch your both the sides maximum, from the feet down, from the palms up. Six, slowly get up. New members, slowly get up. New members are requested to get up, sit. Those who are suffering with lower back also sit. New members, kindly get up and sit down at your place. Those who are having lower back also kindly sit down. We will be doing Paschimuttanasana. Breathing in, breathe out. One, please don't do. Two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last time, 11, relax. Today we will be doing sitting poses. Friday, first sit in Dandasana. Normalize your breath. See to it that your body should be in one straight line from the head up to your lower back and from lower back up to your both the feet. Now fold your right leg in Ardha Vajrasana or Ardha Virasana. Sit comfortably in this pose. Already we did twisting poses in Bhadrasana. So now straight away we will be going for Janu Sirasana in Ardha Vajrasana. New members, if you are having lower back ache, kindly relax. All others, just hold here and watch up. Straighten your leg. See to it that both the shoulders are in line. Normalize your breath. Wherever you can hold, you can hold. Wherever is possible for you, don't struggle, don't force your body. Now we will be going down. One, breathe out. Two, breathing in, last time. Three, breathe out. Four, spine straight, leg straight. Change. Janu Sirasana in which posture we are doing? Ardha Virasana or Ardha Vajrasana, you can say. Spine straight, same Kriya. Legs should be straight. Don't allow it to fall. While breathing out, go down. One breath out. Two breathing in. Extend your both the arms up. Make your both the upper arms in parallel to your ears. And very slowly come down. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. Now, one leg is back. Slowly take your other leg also back in Vajrasana or seniors Virasana. Sit as per your capacity. So first in Virasana, you see how the Virasana will be. So Virasana will be like this. So we did. Now, what we will be doing? We will be placing our palms on our both the feet and stay, because it is very difficult for us to sit in this posture. So we'll create a stand for our body and stay. Slowly straighten your both the place your palms on the feet and stay here. Keep your complete body in one straight line. Now, after some time, we'll be going for Urdhva Virasana. Interlock your arms. Stay for some more time here. Normalize your breath. Upper arm in line with your both the ears and try to push them back. Check whether your both the elbows are straight or not. Flatten your stomach. Slowly come back. So this was Virasana. Now what I will do? I will slowly bring my both the legs close and I will try to fold my calf muscles in Vajrasana. This is simple now. This you are doing. Daily we are doing no Vajrasana. Same posture. Normal breath in, breath out should continue. Viparita Pavana Muktasana. Now we did Pavana Muktasana. No. Now we will be doing Viparita Pavana Muktasana. Both the palms in line with your both the knee. Take out your right leg back. Take out your right leg back. Normal common mistake is it will try to fall like this. So what we are supposed to do? We have to straighten it. Straighten your leg and watch up. Hold. Both the fingertips are supporting you. Both the palms. Now, if you feel any doubt about our chest, expand here. Place gently. Now go down. One breath out. Try to touch your chin with your front knee. Forehead with the floor. Breathe out. 2. Breathing in. Last time. 3. Breathe out. 4. Breathing in. Now place your fingertips again for support. Slowly remove your leg out. This leg. And try to slowly walk. Walk. If possible, try to bring in one right angle. So once you are concentrating on this, this will go. So what we are supposed to do? Again we have to correct the back leg. If you can be very comfortable, then you can insert like this and stay. Now we are repeating the same pose. Right angle. One breath out. Try to touch your chin with your front knee, forehead with the floor. 2. Straighten your head up. Back leg is straight again. Concentrate there. Second time. 3. Breathe out. 4. Breathing in. Now, what we will be doing? Just rest your both the elbows in Niralambasana and relax. Walk one step ahead. Shoulders down, not up. Just stay here with normal breath in, breath out. Place your palms on the floor and try to extend your whole body. 1. Breathe out. 2. Get up. Raise your head up. Last time. 3. Breathe out. 4. Breathing in. Slowly get up and try to fold your leg. Try to touch. 1. Watch up.
2, loosen it, second time, 3,
4. Come to Vajrasana. So with one leg, we did Rajkaputasana. Now with other leg, we will try. First, we'll start with Viparitak Pavanamuktasana. Straighten your other leg.
get up, stretch your whole body up, take the support of your fingertips, go down, back leg is still listening to you. 1, breathe out, don't allow it to fall. 2, breathing in, go back, last time. 3, breathe out completely. 4, breathing in, slowly fold your front leg, try to make it right angle if you can able to do, or as per your capacity. Insert your arm, broaden your chest and shoulders, correct your back leg First, then watch up. We are repeating the same step. 1, breathe out, try to touch your chin with the floor or forehead with the floor. 2, breathing in, maximum up, straighten your leg at the back. 3, breathe out. 4, broaden your chest and shoulders. New members may relax, or if you want, you can rest in Niralambasana. Shoulders down, walk in the front, correct your back leg. Hold in the posture for 4 to 5 seconds here. Allow your thigh to pressurize your stomach and abdomen area. And slowly take it down. Now go down. 1, breathe out. 2, head up, chest up. Second time. 3, breathe out. 4, breathing in,
and slowly correct your posture. Fold your leg, hold it.
1, 2, as per your capacity, don't exceed your limit. 3,
4. Slowly come to Vajrasana. Again, fold your calf muscles and sit comfortably in Vajrasana. So tough asanas are over. Now we will be doing very simple asanas called Majarasana. Very, very simple asana. Very, very important asana for our spine. Now, place your palms on your thighs. Slowly skid like this, and as per your shoulder measurement, create the gap and get up.
in this pose called Majrasana. Palms, weight should be on this area, not on this and fingertips. As per your shoulder measurement. Right side. Try to watch your lower back. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in center. 3, other side. 4, center. 5, breathe out. 6, breathing in up. 7, breathe out. 8, breathing in. Slowly sit down like this only.
Relax your wrist joint. Help one arm with your other arm. Second variation. Once try to watch, next try to repeat. So what we have to do in second step? Try to touch your chin with your chest while breathing out. Try to suck your navel area. Try to touch your navel area with your spine. Just first time we will be watching. Next time we will be doing. So juniors, just watch. It should be like this. 1, breathe out. Shoulders up, stomach in, breathe out, chin touching to your chest. Second time, you getting up. 2, it will be like this. Now we are repeating. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. Second time. 3, breathe out. 4, breathing in. 5, breathe out completely. 6, breathing in, maximum up. Last time. 7, breathe out. 8,
breathing in and slowly sit down. Again massage your both the arms. So we'll be doing Majrasana. Now try to watch once new members, seniors may be doing. Come again to the posture called Majrasana. Now reduce the gap between your both the legs. Straighten your right leg. Now raise it maximum up. One, turn it out. Your heel has to be turned out up to your head level. Try to bring. 1, 2, second leg. Straighten it. 3, lift it up. Maximum. Turn your heel out. 4, right leg. First straighten it and take it up. 5, still up. 6, center, last time. 7, 8. Slowly sit down in Vajrasana. Normalize your breath. Still, I believe you are in Vajrasana. Some people are already shifted from Vajrasana. Try to sit in Vajrasana. Today is sitting poses, no. We have to justify. New members, those who are having trouble, place like this. Seniors, try to form wrist and keep your folded wrist on the side of your navel area. What we have to do? Total breath out, bend forward and try to watch this white stone. Don't lower your head. Otherwise you can watch here how he is showing. Same posture, normalize and come back. We will be repeating. First breathe out. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. Second time, breathe out. 3, breathe out. Head up, head up. First row, head is gone already. Head up. 4. Now you understood. See, once more I am showing you. Your head should be like this only. Watch this much only. Then come back. Now we understood. We'll stay for 5 seconds only in that posture. Normal, deep, long breath in, breath out. 1. Normalize your breath. Head up, madam, second row. Smile should retain. No tense anywhere. And very slowly come up. 2. Second time. Again 5 seconds. Breathe out. The name of asana is called Mandupasana. Hold. Normalize your breath and relax. Very slowly while breathing in, get up. Slowly stand on your both the knee and relax without closing your eyes. Kanlu మూసుకోకూడదు. మూసుకుంటే తల తిరిగినట్టు ఉంటుంది. थोड़ा चक्कर आए जैसा संभावना रहता. आंखें बंद करते ही, इसीलिए बंद मत करिए. क्या कुछ आसन चल रहा क्या? खाली घुटनों के ऊपर ठहरे हुए, बस धीरे से बैठ जाना. ये तो अभ्यास हो गया. अभी हाथ ऐसा रखकर कोशिश करेंगे ऊपर उठाते हुए. एक, खाली स्ट्रेट ऊपर उठाना बस. आते समय स्लोली नीचे आना. 2. ठीक है ना? चक्कर आ रहा तो बैठ जाइए. गिडीनेस ఉంటే కూర్చోండి. Second time we are repeating the same. 3. Extend your whole upper part from your knee up to your fingertips. And while coming, very slowly come back. 4. Relax. Third variation. Thumb in the center, front, 4 fingers at the back. So straight away you have to get up and try to turn 10, 20, 15 degrees at the back. ఎంత అవుతుంది అంత. हमसे जितना होता उतना एक बार देखेंगे. Just we have to bend back by supporting our lower back if possible. Shall we do? 1, go back. New members, take care. 2, slowly sit down. New members, please, as per your capacity, don't exceed. Last time. 3, 4, again relax. So preparation has been done for Uttasana. First tayari, uske baad fir asana. Just watch how my senior is doing. Place the palms on your heels and drop your head down like this. Be with me. First you are watching. Juniors, relax. Next week we are doing, or Monday we will do. Place your palms on your both the heels and slowly go up. Here try to stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come back without much disturbance, without closing your eyes. New members, please repeat the same kriya. इंकोकसारी चेयंडी और एक बार करेंगे नए साधक. सीनियर्स क्या करना, पैर ऐसा रखना. जूनियर मेरे साथ, కొత్త వాళ్ళు నాతో పాటు मेरे साथ करेंगे. सेम क्रिया. 3, normalize your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come back without closing your eyes. Slowly sit down. Supta Virasana, seniors only, followed by Matchasana, cat pose. Fish pose. एक बार देखना, थोड़ा पैर बाहर, like वज्रा वीरासना. लेट जाना, लेट कर क्या करना, स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस है नहीं करना. प्लीज डोंट अटेम्प्ट. ऐसा सिर को नीचे ले जाना थोड़ा देर के बाद. एज पर यूर कैपेसिटी, डोंट एक्सीड. కొత్త వాళ్ళు प्लीज डोंट डू. स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस है, गर्दन का दर्द है, नहीं करना. प्लीज डोंट अटेम्प्ट. फर्स्ट स्लोली गो डाउन, टर्न योर हेड and try to rest your crown on the floor. You can form Namaskar, you can fold your arms, or you can rest on your both the thigh. Normalize your breath in Matchasana. Continue deep long breath in, breath out. You can fold your arms, or you can straighten your arms, or you can form Namaskar as per your capacity. While coming up, first remove your head out. Catch your both the ankles, pressurize your elbow, take the support of your palm and come back. So we did back bending followed by front bending, Shashankasana. Slowly spread your both the legs, take the support of your palms and go back, go down. Again stay for 5 to 8 seconds. Normalize your breath. Extend your both the arms. Don't allow your lower back to get up. Head up, place your palms and come back with normal breath in, breath out. Slowly come to Vajrasana. Again, normalize your breath. Today we will be performing Bhushirasana. Today is special, Friday special. So this is half Shirshasana. So how it will be done? Just watch. Gap between your both the knee as per your shoulder measurement. Try to keep your both the arms like this. Watch once. Open your fingers. Interlock like this. Last finger should not be interlocked. All the fingers will be interlocked. And slowly walk in. Rest your crown on the floor. And this area from the crown up to lower back straight, and from lower back up to your legs, a ramp of 45 degrees. Straighten this area. So those who are doing, please do. Otherwise, again, same condition. Those who are suffering with spondylitis, please don't attempt. Those who are new, don't attempt. Otherwise, attempt. Place your crown,
walk in once and stay here. Just stay for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 20 seconds, like that. Close your eyes. Normal deep long breath in, breath out should continue. Close your eyes very gently. Those who are suffering with spondylitis, please relax. New members, please relax. The asana name is called Bhushirasana. While coming back, slowly walk once. Rest your crown on the floor and relax here. This is called Bhushirasana. Slowly get up.
Normalize your breath. So your weight, where it has to come, there is a doubt. Many people are having doubt, but they don't come out. So your weight has to be exactly in the middle. If you touch this area, there will be a softness. So that area has to rest on the crown, on the floor, and try to lift your body like this. Those who can do, they can do like this also. Only thing is, we have to prepare first, then we have to do. So what we will be doing, this is enough for today. Sunday we will try to perform all the asanas. Many people are new, just relax. Relax your both the legs. So what we did now, Bhushirasana. So the blood flow will be more towards this area. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to do forward bending. For normalizing that, fold your right leg. Adjust all the arrangements I told you so many times. Now we are doing Janu Sirasana. Once we started this Kriya with which asana? In Ardha Virasana we did Janu Sirasana. Again, same posture we are doing in normal without. So again, new members, as per your capacity, those who are having lower backache, please take care. All others, first hold, straighten your leg, head up. Now, shoulders in line, go down. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in, last time. 3, breathe out. 4, breathing in. Once you do forward bending, the blood flow will be normalized. Change your both the legs again. We are performing same asana called Janu Sirasana. Legs should remain straight. Third row. Straighten your body up and very slowly go down. If you can able to touch, otherwise you rest here. Those who are having lower back, please restrict this asana. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. Both the shoulders in line. Last time. 3, breathe out. 4, breathing in. Slowly fold your leg. Relax in Pavana Muktasana. Normalize your breath. Just we are folding our leg, resting our chin on our front upper knee. The other leg is remaining straight still. Normalize your breath. Now slowly take one step ahead. Here it was. So what I will do, I will keep it on the side of my knee. Slowly cross it with my front knee. First I will try to adjust my sitting area comfortably. Now listen to me very carefully, new members. Which knee is up? Alternate arm try to hold. Yes. Other arm just fingertips on the floor. Front leg still straight. First breathe out, pressurize your knee and go back. 9. Adjust everything. Stay here and continue deep long breath in, breath out. 8, 7, 6, still back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Change. पादालु चेतुल मार्चाले. हाथ और पैर बदलना. So first fold this leg, cross it,
First Pavan Mukta Asana. Relax here for some seconds. So we are not done means you are just going like that only. You are not pointing out what is not done. Relax here. Rest your chin on your knee and relax. Now, after relaxation, place your feet on the side of your knee and slowly cross it. After crossing, try to adjust your sitting area. All the condition will remain same. Hold your upper knee with your alternate arm. Yes. Pressurize this in your stomach and abdomen. Other arm, just fingertips on the floor. Don't leave this. Seniors may hold their lower knee. Juniors, follow me. First, breathe out. Pressurize your knee. Nokki pettandi pottalo. Painunna mokalu. Enka vaipu tirgale. पीछे घूमना है आपको. सीनियर जो नीचे वाला पकड़ सकते हैं, नीचे वाला घुटना. रुकिए यहां पर. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, still back. 4, front leg is already gone in front row. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly fold your arm, cross your legs and sit down. पीछे नीचे रखना पैर को. Yes, still back. Now, try to slowly take it little back. So this is done. This can be done. So fold your other leg also. What is happening? First just fold. Convince your body is this much only we are doing. Now, insert your arm in between your both the knee and try to reduce the gap, minimize your gap and slowly place your palms on your both the feet. Adjust everything and be straight. So we are performing Gaumukha Asana, the next asana. All front bending asanas. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in, up. 3, breathe out. Normalize your breath here. Swasagati maamulga. Sadharan sans. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in. Spine straight. Now, hold your upper knee. Remove your both the legs out. This was upper knee. What I will do, I will take it down. Fine. Fold. Relax. Change your legs, that's all. Otherwise, the same leg will try to come up. First sit, then try to adjust, minimize the gap. Lock them by placing your both the palms on your both the feet. Spine straight. Broaden your chest and shoulder. Breathing in up, breathing out down. First we'll touch and come back. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. Last time. Juniors touch and come back. Seniors will stay. 3, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in. Get up. Slowly remove your both the legs again. Flat. Create gap of approximately 2 feet between your both the leg. 2 feet between your both the knee. Bring it close. కొంచెం ఇంకా దగ్గర తీసుకురండి और नजदीक लाइए पैरों को. Right घुटना left पंजे को. Your right knee will touching to the left feet. 1, opposite right side, try to watch. 2, come to center. What we are doing, try to understand. So this is the gap. What I am palms at the back, right side, and your head has to go. 1, 2, center, other side. 3, 4. Now palms at the back. Saral Chakrasana. Just watch once how in first row they are doing. All can attempt. Get up.
1. Lift your stomach up. Drop your head down. 5, 4, 3, 2, still up. And very slowly come down. 1.
So this was Saral Chakrasana for strengthening your arms, for allowing fresh blood to rush inside your stomach and abdomen area after performing Gaumukhasana. In Gaumukhasana what we did? We compressed our stomach and abdomen area. Now with Chakrasana, Saral Chakrasana or Chakrasana, we are releasing that area. Today's last asana, slowly fold your right leg back. Insert your left leg under your right leg. Extend this hip area. Try to sit first this much only. This you can able to do. Now fine correction. Reduce the gap between your both the knee. Again adjust everything and be straight. Whichever side your legs, lift your same arm. New members, please don't attempt. కొత్త వాళ్ళు చేయకూడదు. నయే సాధక్ नहीं करेंगे. All seniors, those who are attempted previously, do. Other arm, just fingertips. First breathe out, suck your navel in, lift your spine, broaden your chest and shoulder, take the leverage of your knee, go back. First breathe out. The name of asana is called Bharadwajasana. 9, 8, 7, still back, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, come back. Change. New members, after 2-3 days, we will be attempting change your both the legs. Today's last asana, twisting pose called Bharadwajasana. Minimize the gap, adjust what are all the adjustments you did at one side. Similarly, we are lifting our arm on the other side also. Whichever arm is there, remaining that moral support for your body, only fingertips. First breathe out. Try to go maximum back. After breathing out, stay here. 9, 8, both the shoulders try to bring in one straight line. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Slowly lay down in Shanti Asana. Comfortable gap between your both the legs. Both the arms, take the support of your elbows. Slowly go to Shanti Asana or Shavasana. Straight on your both the legs, one after other. Drop your complete body weight on the floor, called Shanti Asana or Shavasana. Close your eyes gently. Create gap of 1.5 feet or 2 feet between your both the legs. Arms 6 to 8 inches away from your main body. Palms facing towards sky. Concentrate on deep long breath in, breath out. Slowly open your eyes. Fold your both the legs one by one. Take your right arm, crossing your right ear. Turn to your right side completely. Pressurize your lower left palm on the floor while breathing in, get up. Try to sit in Vajrasana. if possible. New members, as per your capacity, as per your convenience. All others, try to sit in Vajrasana. Close your eyes. One palm resting on the other palms. We'll be performing Omkar. Breathing in. Join your both the palms perfectly. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Tassa. Breathe in, bow down your head. Raise your head up. Good morning to all. Thank you very much for coming. Have a nice and wonderful day. Tomorrow again we are meeting at 7 sharp.